Hi, I'm Jennifer from MGFB. MGFB is a wholesale for wine and spirits. We have been in this industry for 9 years, and I've been appointed as a Dame de la Jurade of Saint-Emilion from France 2 years ago. To sustain our business during this MCO, we do send promote item photos to our existing customer through WhatsApp, calling, and uploads to our Facebook page. I feel that the MSK can help to promote my business through online. I believe this platform is more efficient than our previous method. So far, it has saved my team a lot of time because this platform is user-friendly. With this digital e-voucher, we're able to get back our customer and attract them for the return purchase. It helps us a lot to reach our customer on the latest promotion through e-SMS. With SME Grant, we can digitalize our business at a lower cost. Process is very simple and fast. Provide all the documents needed and sign. Maxis will do all the submission of the grant.